What's up, YouTube? If you are tired of dealing with the constant service cutouts, the crappy platform, and just the inability to trade on Robinhood the way you want to, when you need to, I may have the solution for you today. We're going to talk about TradeStation Crypto. It's a platform from an old school broker TradeStation that'll let you trade stocks and crypto from the exact same account. Today, I'm really trying to just review the crypto side of TradeStation. I may come back and update the regular trading platform, but this was kind of more directed at this new TradeStation Crypto product. So click to launch, type in our info, and then you have to enter in your two-factor authenticator, which I use the Google security app. Very quick and easy. It gives you a second verification method, helps protect your account. And then here you go, the basic crypto platform. So a couple things of note. Obviously, here's your balances. These are the product offerings. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. And this is going to be your charts. You have an option to put it light and dark mode. And then let's dive right in. So the first thing we can do, we can look at the various products and the pairings that they offer. If, say, we click one, it's going to pull up the chart for that. One thing that is interesting but also kind of annoying is how the time on the chart zooms in. So it's currently set to a 5-minute chart, but if I zoom in or out, it'll actually change the time on the chart to kind of be proportional, which, you know, if you're used to something like Thinkorswim or TradingView, you can set the time variant to one candle length, and it'll just essentially expand the chart indefinitely, where each candlestick is that one time versus changing it as you zoom out. So I guess for some people this is a nice feature, and others it could be a little bit annoying, especially if you're like a day trader and all of a sudden you're trying to, you know, pick levels or whatever on a smaller time frame, and you can't because when you zoom out it automatically goes to 4 hour, or, you know, the candlesticks get bigger. So the next feature I want to show you is that you can actually change how the charts grid up. So we can do 4 charts on one window. We can change it to side by side, 1, 2. All of these features over here are really nice. I usually do 1 or 2 charts and just kind of compare things that way. We can also go over here. There are some different styles. You can do a line chart. Obviously, you can do a line chart where the bottom of the price action is filled in, and a bar chart if that's something you're interested in. Obviously, you can change where the chart is being graphed for the price at the ask or the price at the bid, or just kind of a mid. And then you also have a few different indicators that you can turn on here, just like this. So some of the other features that you're going to want to look at is you have this drop down menu that will pull up an order book. And one thing about this platform I've noticed is that they use some other providers to actually fill orders. So this is kind of like an aggregate of multiple exchanges here. So if you market by whatever, say, what is this, Bitcoin Cash, 5 of them, it's going to fill somewhere in this area based off of just the market maker's books, which is kind of interesting. It's different than some other exchanges, but if you look at it, you'll at least have a ballpark of where you're going to be filled within the spread. So that's pretty cool. Going through a couple more of these, let's turn off the order book, pop open the time and sales. One thing with this platform is that there's not too terribly many people using it yet, so the time and sales data is few and far between. I haven't figured out if that's just because there's no one buying or selling on this exchange, or if there's some kind of data issue where it doesn't aggregate from the other exchanges, which I know that's the case because the other exchanges that they use to fulfill orders are definitely seeing millions of dollars of volume. So I don't know why this stays empty, but I'm sure that'll be updated in time. We've got the depth chart, which is basically just a visualization of where the active orders are sitting on the order book, so the depth of the orders on the sell side and the bid side, and kind of which side is heavier within the spread. So go ahead and turn that off. And then finally, the important thing we want to look at are how do we actually place an order? Well, you can do it two ways. You can pull up this order form and type in type of order you want, fill or kill, or immediate or cancel. You can do your destination, quantity, and then market limit or stops. Just for the sake of the video, I'll do a quick order for you on, say, let's do Ethereum USD, and we'll type in, let's pull up our price chart, and I'll buy one for you. Here's the order that comes up. Do a market, and bam, we are filled within, basically as soon as I click the button, we had one added to our account. Let's go back and try and do a quick limit order where we can sell. Let's pick our price. Let's go just 122 and hit sell. And boom, I put the limit order in below the price and it instantly filled. So you can see right away that it's very quick on the execution side, and it fills within within the spread very quickly and easily. So it's really easy to use. One more quick feature, there's the wallet. We'll show you what you have in your account. Right now I just have $1,000. After we ordered one, we had one Ethereum here. And then also we have another display of all of the trading pairs that they have, the current prices, and the spread and the daily change. And basically you can come through and add favorites and all of the little simple features that you would expect from any exchange. As far as the use of this platform, it works really well. This is a browser based, so I didn't have to download any specific application to actually trade the crypto, and you can do this from your phone currently. The cool feature that I mentioned before is that this is an account that is connected to a stock account, so you have all of the features of the stock platform that TradeStation offers for free, with free commissions, just like Robinhood or Thinkorswim or any of these other big time brokerages that have gone with the commission free model. And you can trade with the money that's in this account immediately into stocks and back and forth. It's pretty amazing for that, and it's one reason why I think they'll have some success in this sector. There's only one other thing that's really of note, and similarly to Robinhood and Webull and some of these other budget brokers that allow you to trade crypto, you actually, with TradeStation Crypto, you actually have someone that works for TradeStation that manages counterparty risk, and you do get this crypto. You own the crypto itself, but they won't allow you to transfer in or transfer out crypto at this time. So basically, if you buy one Bitcoin on TradeStation Crypto, you do have the rights to one Bitcoin in your account. It's just that it's not like Binance or Coinbase where you can send that one Bitcoin out into a wallet or something like that. It's more being used as a trading product versus an actual cryptocurrency holding. So with that, you can rest assured that your cryptocurrency is safe and that you will be able to take advantage of using your trading capital without the stress of losing your cryptocurrency, typing in the wrong addresses, anything like that. It's all converted back to USD, and they have full-on counterparty staff to mitigate risk of the loss of cryptocurrency and basically all of the problems that would keep you from wanting to invest on some other platform where you can't verify if your assets are going to be clear. They've taken care of that for you. So, and not only that, your dollars are insured. It's I believe it's either SBIC or FDIC, but you still have that backing as well. Last thing I wanted to note here is that There are trading commissions on crypto, but it's no different than, say, Coinbase or Binance or some of these other places. I believe the rate on here is 0.025% of your transaction fee. So if we take a look, I filled one Ethereum at 123.75 earlier, and I had a 62-cent commission. This is standard across the cryptocurrency markets, so wouldn't worry too much about that, and it shouldn't really have much of an effect on your trading because the volatility on these products. I mean, we had Bitcoin and Ethereum drop almost 50% the other day. What is a 0.025% in the grand scheme of things when you're trading there? So if you're looking for somewhere to trade crypto, this is a pretty good option as an American that wants to use the same account as his stock account or investment portfolio and be able to get some exposure to this crypto.